Hello, students. Today we are going to learn articles. Do you want to master in English? Yes. So you have to know the use of correct English. Articles are an important component in English language. In this session, we will learn definition of articles, types of articles, and uses of articles. Watch the video till end. This video is a detailed study of articles. So let's start without any further delay. So students, what is an article? Let us know the definition of article. An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. Articles are of two types: indefinite article a and an, and definite article that is the. For example, I met a boy this morning outside my house. I gave him an orange. These are the examples of indefinite article. For definite article, the example is: the Bible is one of the most widely read books in the world. Remember, the words a and the are known as articles. Articles are a part of determiners. Articles always come before the noun. So now let us know about indefinite article. An indefinite article, that is a or an, points to any singular common noun. Indefinite articles are called so because they refer to any one entity or individual in a group and not to a particular entity or individual. Using indefinite articles, that is a and an, are used before singular countable common nouns. For example, a boy, a table, a spoon, an elephant, an orange. Usually, no singular countable common noun is used by itself without an article. Now, a is used before some expressions of quantity. For example, a few, a lot of, a little, a good deal of, a great amount of. A is used if a proper noun is used as a common noun. For example, we are waiting for a Buddha to bring peace in this violent world. Here, the proper noun Buddha is being used as a common noun, and hence the indefinite article a is used with it. A is used in idiomatic expressions. For example, Jiten burst out of his room in a rage. Other expressions such as at a loss, a nuisance, a pleasure, a shame also use the indefinite article. I is used with nouns that start with vowel sounds. Words such as eureka, one, unique are pronounced with consonant sounds, though they begin with the vowel letters E, O, and U. So we use A with one, A with eureka, A with unique. For example, a one-eyed man. Now, indefinite article an is used with nouns that start with vowel sounds. Words such as our and honorable are pronounced as our and honorable. Though the first letter of these words is the consonant H, which is a silent alphabet. So we use and before our and before honorable. There are few abbreviations such as MPhil, MLit, LC are pronounced with vowel sound E, at the beginning, although they are written consonants M and L. So the article an is used with them. For example, she has been elected as an MP. Indefinite articles are not used before proper nouns in general. For example, my name is Rita, not Arita. Before abstract nouns. For example, the price of sin is death, not our sin is our death. Before material noun, please pass me some salt, not our salt or our sugar. We do not use indefinite article before countable plural common nouns. For example, could you help me carry books to the library? Not our books. Before common singular nouns that are used to represent a race or a class. Man is a social being. We do not say a man is a social being. Before an adjective if it does not modify a noun. How did you like the film? It is superb. Not it is a superb. When another determiner is used before the noun. This is his book. We do not say this is a his book. Now let us know about definite article. The definite article refers to a specific or particular person or thing. The definite article can be used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog. It is an example of singular noun. The teachers of our school follow our dress code. This is an example of plural noun. The definite article can be used with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, can I borrow the book you bought yesterday? Here, book is the countable noun. So we can use the with book. Next example is the information I received yesterday is true. Here, information is an uncountable noun. So we can use the with uncountable noun. Using the definite article, the is used before a noun that is already mentioned. For example, a boy is waiting outside. The boy wants to see you. Before a common noun representing a class, the peacock is the national bird of India. Before adjectives in the superlative degree, the biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Before adjectives representing a class. For example, the interest of the poor must be protected. Here, poor is the adjective that represents a class. Before nouns showing direction. For example, the sun rises in the east. Before ordinals such as first, next, further, and so on. For example, the first person in each row must raise his or her hand. Before some common nouns, for example, the radio, the theater, the cinema, the airport, the station, the temple. Omissions of articles. We do not use articles with proper nouns, plural common nouns when they denote something in general. For example, children like to play. words denoting family relations with respect to the speaker. For example, father bought this book, not the father. We do not use articles with abstract nouns. For example, truthfulness is a great virtue. We do not use articles with languages. For example, English is the link language for educated Indians. If the definite article is used with such words, they denote citizens of the nation that speak that language. That is, when we refer to the English, we mean the people of England. We do not use articles with names of parts of the body. We do not use articles with nouns that are names of games. We do not use articles with common nouns in idiomatic expressions. Some common nouns, if they denote institutions in general, we do not use any articles. For example, I would rather stay at home with my family. Thank you, students. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. We will be back in the next video very soon.